Meanwhile, out on the street, that good news Tess and Luke have been waiting for might have just arrived.
When we found out we got on the block, we begged for him to be our builder. Too busy. You can see why. Easy on the eye, very good at what he does, winning block builder.
Hello.
Luke, Tess.
Here we go.
How are we?
Nice to meet you.
How are we travelling?
Mate?
Oh, mate,
We
not
are
good.
doing terribly.
Great faces.
Not good.
Now I'm getting my hopes up.
Do you want to have a look at the room we're doing right now?
I'd love to, yeah.
All right, come on in.
Get up, yep.
Follow us this way. We're room number 2.
Okay.
If we play our cards right and we behave ourselves and show him how committed we are and how serious we are and how organised we can be, maybe he'll fall in love with us too.
So, bathroom.
Now to our ensuite. So, as you can see,
Still a bit of work to do.
yep,
Yeah.
no grout on the floor. The
Yeah.
trims were all rushed and
Yep.
Not the bathroom we wanted to deliver. Like,
Yeah.
we were not happy at all.
definitely not. So,
No, that's right. I mean, I just need to know before I sort of commit and dive in, I need to know that you guys are sort of on the same page and
Yeah.
because I can't be here 24/7, you guys are the contestants.
we are willing to do whatever it takes, mate.
Yep.
Beers. We got a fridge full of light and easy
Yeah,
out
there
there,
you go.
mate.
Yeah,
that's
yeah.
it.
There we go.
We will stock you up on light and easy for the next few months. We'll do whatever we can.
Locking Matt in and moving forward means that we're in the game.
What I had in the back of my mind, Monday morning,
Yep.
we'll start fresh, we'll sit down, start from scratch, put together a full plan, have a look at the trades that we do and don't have.
Yep.
I'll bring in my trusted leading hand carpenter.
Yep.
Yes.
I can probably delegate him to you guys for the next few weeks, see how we go.
Really?
Just to sort of help you guys find your feet.
We are over the
Really?
moon, mate.
Yeah?
Yeah?
Deal.
Great! Oh, thank you so much. This is amazing.
Buddy. You're a legend, mate. The rumours are true.
They are true. Oh, this is
Half
it.
man, half god, and just an all-round top bloke.
I think that the other contestants could be a little bit scared of us for once. Maybe they see us as competition finally.
One day is going to be a great day, mate.
I feel like
That's
we've
it.
won. I feel like we've won.
We have won,
We've
mate.
won.
Easy, careful.